Welcome to Sacred Justice, the podcast where ancient wisdom meets modern challenges. Have you ever felt stuck in a legal battle that just won't end? Maybe you are dealing with a property dispute, immigration delays, custody battles, or financial lawsuits. And no matter how many lawyers you hire or documents you submit, things just keep dragging on. What if I told you there's a spiritual dimension to these legal entanglements? And yes, there's a sacred way to shift the energy in your favor. Today, we are diving into how Homa rituals, yes, those powerful fire ceremonies from Vedic tradition, can actually help resolve legal issues, and how Astrobhava, a global spiritual platform, is making these rituals available online, accessible to anyone, even if you are listening from across the world in New York, Texas, or California. Let's ignite the flame of divine justice. So, let's start with the basics. What is a Homa? A Homa, also known as a Havan or fire ritual, is an ancient Vedic ceremony where offerings like ghee, herbs, and sacred woods are poured into a fire while chanting specific mantras. These mantras invoke the presence of divine energies, planets, deities, or guiding forces, depending on the nature of the ritual. Now you might wonder, okay, fire and mantras, but what does that have to do with my legal case in the United States? Stay with me. Homa rituals are not just symbolic, they actually work on the energetic and karmic level to clear obstacles, reduce negative planetary influences, and open up blocked paths. Think of it as a spiritual reset button, specifically tailored to the problems you are facing. Now, let's understand the cosmic legal connection. Here's where it gets interesting. In Vedic astrology, legal problems are often linked to certain planetary combinations, like a malefic Saturn, Rahu in the 6th house, or Mars creating legal aggression. What Homa does is work on those exact energies. When performed with precision by experienced Vedic priests, the ritual softens these harsh influences and invites support from deities like Lord Shani, Saturn, Baglamukhi Devi, or Lord Narsimha, who are known for granting justice and removing energies. At Astrobhava, we study your astrological chart and recommend the most suitable Homa based on your specific legal challenge. We don't believe in one size fits all spirituality. Every ritual is customized and conducted with focused intent. And yes, it's all done online. So no matter where you are in the world, you can witness the ritual live via video and feel that sacred power in real time. Let me share a quick real world example. A client from Houston, Texas, let's call him Raj, was stuck in a complicated immigration case for over 2 years. Documents kept getting lost, approvals were delayed, lawyers were puzzled. He came to Astrobhava feeling drained and hopeless. We studied his chart and discovered strong Saturn Rahu afflictions. We recommended a Baglamukhi Homa, a ritual specifically meant to silence opposition and resolve conflicts. Within 45 days of the ritual, his paperwork was processed. His green card approval came through within the next 2 months. Coincidence? Maybe. But when you experience these shifts again and again, you realize something sacred is definitely at work. Let's answer some quick, frequently asked questions because we get these a lot. Firstly, can Homa really help with a court case or lawsuit? Absolutely. Homas influence your karmic field, and that reflects in the physical world. While legal strategy is essential, Homa brings divine alignment. Many of our clients report smoother hearings, favorable judgments, or sudden positive turns. Secondly, I'm not Hindu. Can I still do this ritual? Yes, the energies invoked in Homa transcend religion. We have had clients from different spiritual backgrounds. What matters is your intention and openness to the process. Thirdly, how soon can I expect the results? Every case is unique. Some people see movement within days, for others, it may take weeks or months. But in almost all cases, a shift begins not just externally, but also within. If you have been stuck in legal loops, maybe it's time to stop asking why me and start asking what energy am I carrying? Because sometimes the code isn't just in a building, it's in the cosmos. With Astrobhava's Homa ritual, you are not just getting spiritual services, you are invoking ancient energies to clear your path. You are aligning with justice not just on paper, but in spirit. So if you are ready to take the sacred route toward legal resolution, visit us at astrobhava.com to book your consultation today.